Hi everybody, this is Joann. Yes, I am using my easel right now so I can go ahead and show you what type of things that I use when I actually go over to Universal. I like writing from Universal to my husband's nieces over in Norway, as well as my neighbors' kids of the condos that we used to live at. I like with writing from there. And so I wanted to show you what it is that I use. There's a company called Galen Leather. It is over in Turkey and they are just fantastic. But let me go ahead and show you what I had made. First, I made this bag. Yes, it is hand embroidered with the Hogwarts on it. And this was their pin that they used to have, but they don't carry the gold one anymore. And I have this to go around it to hold it in place. So you actually will see me walk through with my robe, or sometimes without my robe, over to Hogwarts with this bag. Within this bag, I have the wood rider's desk that is from Thomas Jefferson. He actually had designed this and they had decided to make it as well. I will also go ahead and show you the craziness that I do. I have a tablecloth, and with this tablecloth, I put this tablecloth over at Universal when I'm there, and then I will actually bring this guy out to start putting it together. And now I'm at a perfect angle. Why would you get the Galen one over, let's say, an Etsy knockoff one? This one has better quality leather, has better, was it walnut on the outside? It is well worth the price. It was, I think it was $150 or it was $100, but because of tariffs, it most likely will go up. But you can adjust these as well and it will stay because it has leather on the inside. Now, this journal right here I had gotten from Barnes & Noble because I wanted to start writing some stuff on the inside that I needed. This guy right here, this pen holder, I actually got on Etsy. It was 20 bucks and I believe it's made in America. Now this symbol right here of Hogwarts, I don't think exists anymore unless Michael's got it, because I got it over at Joann's and I just went ahead and I sewed it to the leather so that I can actually have my pens out when I'm writing. The type of fountain pens that I like a lot is this guy right here. Yeah, Norhall. These pens I write with a lot. My first pens was Pilot, and I still use them to this day. In fact, I use these for the Harry Potter boxes that I make, student boxes, as well as the alumni boxes. I will write vanilla paper, parchment, actual parchment, staples, and I actually use that with these pens. So this one obviously is green for green, makes life easy. This one is purple, obviously from the Ministry of Magic. What I liked about them, and since I was a novice when I had gotten it, was how easy these were already filled and you snap it in. Kind of no mess. And those Pilot pens are definitely like the best to be able to get because they were, I think, $50. They're very well worth it, very durable. They really last a long time. These are from 2018. When I say they last a long time, I seriously mean that they last a long time. The Norwal, I'm really bad at saying things. What I liked about them, and I still like about them, is that it is clear. I can see what ink it is that's on the inside. I can see if there's any trouble that happens on the inside. And I just love the feel of it, and I like that it is larger. With this writer's box that is from Galen Leather Company, you have places to put things. I don't do a lot. This was recent when I traveled. Part of my ink actually inked out. It happens, you know, it shows some wear and tear, but it has a nice felt on the inside with it so you could put letters and stuff like that, which I do. And it's just perfect. Go ahead, drop it in, fold it down, put it into your bag, and you're done. But you have your angle with it, and that's what I love about this. And you drop your thing right here, boom, done.